You need this to be a winning, confident trader. Let me explain. We're diving into a crucial aspect of trading that often gets overlooked. Welcome back to the channel, my name is Mo, and thank you very much for clicking on this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you enjoy. Let's get straight into it. Trading isn't just about numbers and analysis. It's about understanding your own behaviour and reactions during the trades that you take. You may be jumping from one strategy to another, looking for the best strategy online, but that isn't as important. In fact, trading psychology is more important than any strategy altogether. Emotions like fear, greed and impatience can significantly impact your decisions when trading, and ultimately your success in the markets. The fear of losing money can lead to hesitation and overtrading. Greed will always tempt you to hold positions way longer than you should, but it is about managing those emotions that will make you a successful trader. Here's 2 tricks that you can use. If you are serious about improving your trading, then maybe you want to think about joining Trader Edge. This is currently the best trading app on the market that is used by thousands of traders. It's super easy to use and it has saved me a lot of time and money using it. If you sign up right now, Trader Edge will grant you access to their full backtesting course. You'll also get access to a full course on making a trading algorithm worth $270. There's also a collection on there of indicators and strategies that have been proven to work. If you are serious about improving your trading strategy, then click the first link down in the description. Tip 1 is to set all candles to a solid colour, like blue or yellow for example. These are neutral. Having green and red on the chart can really play with your psychology, and it's usually the red candles that cause people to close trades. Red is always seen as negative in the markets. Another thing that you can do is to fully utilise your take profits and stop losses by setting them and forgetting. When people say set it and forget it, it really applies for trading. It is absolutely necessary, especially in the beginning days of your trading career, to place your trades and to close the charts. If you really struggle to close your charts, then this is for one of 2 reasons. Reason 1 is that you don't trust your market analysis and therefore you don't trust the trade, or if you do trust your analysis but are still worried, then it's because you are risking too much money. Remember, only risk what you can afford to lose. If you haven't ever tried a funded account before, then maybe give it a go. It is a great way to spend little money to get a lot to trade with. This is not a sponsor, but you could use a prop firm like My Forex Funds or FTMO for example. Just make sure that you take your time with it. People always try to rush accounts and pass in 2 days or 3 days, but you have an entire month to pass and you aren't going anywhere, so my next tip would be to take it slow. Life is long and a few days more to focus won't stop you achieving your goals. Consistency. This is the backbone of all strategies out there. It's about sticking to a well-defined plan, an approach which will help you manage risk and avoid impulsive decisions. Always make sure to write down your exact trading rules and use them as a template. Even print a sheet out like I used to and hold it up to your screen when you're taking trades. This will not only help you stick to your rules, but it'll help you to be consistent. It's also a great way to visualize successful trades, exactly how they should look, and if it's not perfect, then it's probably not worth taking the risk. So how do we tie trading psychology and consistency together? I would recommend these 2 tips. One technique to enhance trading psychology is keeping a trading journal, documenting your trades, emotions and thought process. This doesn't need to be anything complicated, just a simple spreadsheet or in your notes. But reflecting on past trades can provide valuable insights into your strengths and weaknesses, helping you improve over time. Another vital technique is practicing mindfulness and staying in the present moment during trading. Avoid dwelling on past losses and future gains. Each trade is a new opportunity and staying present can really help you make objective decisions. But overall, experience comes with time and focus. Almost fake it till you make it by telling yourself that you are a successful trader and you will be confident with your craft. And don't worry about mistakes or stop losses being hit. We are all human at the end of the day. We all make mistakes, even me with my trading and with these videos, and we can only move forward and excel. If you're ready to take it to the next step and start looking for a strategy, then you can click one of these built for you strategies right here, or even check out my personal strategy in the description. Let's make 2023 and 2024 soon our year.